Hi again, it's Diana from Sellics. So before you start running a successful PPC campaign, it's important to first set a clear goal so that you have a focus. In general, there are 3 types of goals that you can have, and for each of these, you will need to calculate a different metric to gauge its success. The first one is maximize sales. If you've just launched a new product, want to get more reviews, or want to improve your organic rankings, then the right metric for you could be maximizing sales, since getting more sales will boost your organic rankings as well as help in getting more reviews. This is also beneficial because it allows you to collect more data that you can use later on to optimize click-through rates, conversion rates, and ACoS. Once you're at the top, you can start optimizing for profit. One of the most common goals for sellers is profitability. Once your listing has established organic rankings, this would be the right goal for those who want to be more efficient and want to achieve a specific profit margin. This goal is easier to achieve than the next goal, maximizing your total profit. If you're interested in making the most money possible, then setting the goal of maximizing your profit would be the best one for you. While the majority of sellers can agree that their main goal is to make the most profit, setting up this goal might be the most difficult to implement, since it is a moving target and will also require you to give up more of your margins in order to make the most sales. We will explain this in more detail in Lesson 5. This type of goal is the most suitable for products that have been promoted through sponsored products for a while and still have a healthy profit after PPC costs are factored in. So if you already have a profitable PPC campaign, then you may want to pick this goal. All right, please take a moment right now to decide which of your products you want to start with and which goal makes the most sense for that product depending on what stage it's at. Don't worry, I'll wait. Since you have decided which goal is right for you, let's calculate the metric that you'll need. We will leave a template below to help you with that calculation. If your goal is to maximize sales, you will need to calculate your break-even ACoS. Just calculate your profit margin before PPC costs by subtracting all fees and costs from your sales price. Your break-even ACoS is the same as your profit margin before PPC, because as long as you're not spending more, you aren't losing any money. That would be this slice of cake. While you're optimizing your ACoS for this number, you will get the most sales possible. If your product ranks well organically and you want to run a profitable campaign as well as hit your desired margin, then you will need to calculate your goal ACoS. First, decide what margin you want to have after PPC costs. Your margin before PPC costs minus your target margin is your target ACoS. In our example, that's 10%. If you want to maximize your total profit, you can do that with our outline formula or by using the Sellics profit dashboard. For example, if you increase your ACoS from 15% to 20% but double your sales, you will still increase your total profit. Let's say we increase our CPC until our ACoS reaches 20% instead of 15%. By doing this, we will get a lot more impressions and sales. Let's say 20 per day instead of 10. So at a price of $50, we would make $100 profit instead of $75. That means we'll get a smaller slice of a bigger cake. In Lesson 5, we will teach you how to balance and optimize all of this, but first you'll need to set up your campaigns. All right, in the next video, we'll go through how to research the first set of keywords to use in your campaigns. So make sure to stick around, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.